Here is a special video for, I think they're called Pat's Motorcycles in Bridgewater in Somerset. Now, yesterday, Wednesday, the 7th, I think it is, of January 2026, after nearly a year being off the road, I thought I'd go in there, buy a bike, get something second hand. I was going for something smaller, but I was actually eyeing up this 1600cc bike, and I went in there with some cash to buy a bike. Now, I went to the bank and I took out £10,000 in cash to buy a bike. I always pay with cash. It's easier to haggle when you've got cash. People's eyes tend to light up when you've got £10,000 in cash and you get more of a discount. So I took in this £10,000 in cash to Pat's Motorcycles yesterday to buy a bike. Now, rather than talking to me, I asked him about the bikes. Within a minute of me talking to him, asking him about bikes, he picked up his phone and he started ringing somebody else. And he completely fucking ignored me. I was asking, what's the engine size on that bike? And as soon as I asked him, what's the mileage, he picked his phone up and he just started talking to someone else on the phone. £10,000 was what I was willing to spend on a second-hand bike. Pretty simple. I'm a biker, not a bitch. So, Pat's Motorcycles, go fuck yourself.